Hello everyone. Get ready to witness the future of the art industry. Introducing HeartX, a global artwork community and marketplace, driven by community consensus. The art world has long been controlled by a few institutions, dictating the pricing and exposure of artworks. This limits artists' recognition and confines the public's aesthetic to what the capital wants them to see. As an artist, unlock a bigger market and continuous royalties through HeartX with the power of Web3. And as an art lover, discover trendy NFT artworks and find your gateway to the art world with the HeartX community. It's time for a change, and HeartX is leading the way. HeartX is a global artwork community and marketplace driven by community consensus, dedicated to fostering emerging artists and redefining the value of art through innovative concepts and technologies. Our mission is to bring investment value to art creators and enthusiasts worldwide. This HeartX project includes 6 features in it: tokenomics, vote system, trade system, boost system, grade system, and governance. First, tokenomics. HeartX has 2 tokens for use, HNX and HTX. HNX is the utility token while HTX is the governance token. Next is the voting system. HeartX has launched a voting system based on the decentralized consensus mechanism and token incentive mechanism to encourage users to select artworks that are really popular with the public. After completing the voting, users will receive different amounts of HNX as rewards according to their voting options, credit score, and HeartX energy. The trade system is what we all know as the marketplace. Users can purchase or trade their art NFTs based on their favorite or investment potentiality. The boost system. HeartX provides a new path for art lovers to invest in artwork. Users can boost artwork by burning HNX without purchasing them, thus allowing them to invest in artwork. They can accompany the growth of the artwork and its creators, while earning profits at the same time. Grade system. Elevate your HeartX journey through our grade system, which includes user, artist, and collector levels. Unlock exclusive privileges as you progress, enjoying reduced transaction fees and increased HNX rewards for reaching community consensus. This system is your key to unlocking the boost system, empowering you to invest in artwork while supporting artists' growth. Governance. Community members can use HTX to vote for the HeartX collection governance and let the artworks that are really popular in the community join the HeartX ecosystem regularly. More details about the features can be found on the white paper, Twitter, and Discord. In conclusion, HeartX is not just a platform but a movement that empowers artists and art lovers alike. HeartX breaks the chains of traditional art institutions, giving artists access to a wider market and ensuring fair evaluation and continuous royalties. As an art lover, you can explore a world of trendy NFT artworks and be part of a vibrant community that values your voice and aesthetics. Take part in the art revolution with HeartX. Join the movement, redefine the possibilities, and shape the future of art. Join HeartX today and unleash your artistic passion.